Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create your Exness account. So you click on the link I sent to you from our group or probably from the description of this video. So you click and it will take you to this particular page. So you click on register. So it will load and take you to where you can input your details, your name, your email and password. So let's wait for it to load. So first you have to verify that you are human. So click on this box and check it. So it will now take you to the page. All right, so now you can now create your account. You click on this country, select country and put in your country. If you're in Nigeria, put Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, anywhere you are in the world. Then you put your email you want to use. Then put in your password. Make sure you follow all these rules. Then you click on continue. So I've created an account already for this training. So I'm just going to log in and show you the dashboard. All right, so this is the dashboard. You can come down to this the bottom of this page. You can see account, trade, insights, performance, profile. So you click on performance. So because we have to verify our account before you can start trading live accounts. So click on profile. So you can see verification progress. So you click on it to complete your profile. So first click on this complete profile. That's where you input your name, your address, you verify your email address, you verify your phone number and all. So what you do here is you input your phone number and then you click on continue. So a verification code will be sent to your phone. So all you just need to do is copy the code and input it to these boxes. So let's do that now. I'll just copy the code and put it. All right, so once that is done, it will now take you to the next step. And here is very, very important. So you are going to input your first name and your last name. Please try as much as possible to input this correctly. Your first name is your own real name, while your last name is your father's name. So then you input your phone number and make sure it is the same way it appears on your ID. You can decide to put your first name as, if you have two names, for example, you bear Joseph Matthew. So your first name will be Joseph, your middle name will be Matthew. So put the two names here, then your father's name will be here, so that it will be the same as what you have on your ID. If it's just one name you have on your ID, put it there. So it's very, very important for your verification. Put your date of birth, then your country of birth. If you're in Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, put it, then indicate your gender. Then here you have to put your address. So this address is very, very important. The same address that you have on the document you want to use for verification of your address. The document you can use is either NEPA bill, waste bill, bank statement, but mostly people use NEPA bill. You can easily, if you don't have NEPA bill, you can easily get it from OPay or PAMPay. So just get a meter number, then pay a certain amount of money there, the address and everything will show. So the address that you have there, that is what you are going to input here as your residential address. Did you get that now? So if your address is different from the address you have here, they will not verify you. Please try as much as possible to take note of that. So once that is done, let's go back. Then you can now click on this. You can now click on this to check your verification progress. So to add your document, to add your residential document and your own personal document. So once that is done, you will see this place, it will be checked. So then you now move to the second one. The second one is identity verification. That is where you upload your ID card. Then here is where you now upload your verification of address, the utility bill. So once that is done, you just wait for them for like 24 hours. After that, within from 24 hours after that, they will verify your account. So you see verified, fully verified here. So once that is done, while you wait for them to verify your account, you can start with the demo trading. If you don't have money, you can still be trading, testing strategies to know what works. So you come down to this account, come down to this place to take you to your home page. So here there are two accounts you can operate. You can operate real account, which is live account where you put in your money. Then you can also operate with demo account where you trade with paper money. It is virtual money. Whatever profit you make there, you can withdraw. That's the only difference. So now to open a demo account, let's assume you want to open real account. Come to this, click on this arrow. You click on this arrow. So click on this. You can see real account, demo account. So I want to open real account. What I need to do is click on this plus. You click on this plus sign, and let's allow it to load. All right, so under any account you want to create, there are different accounts under it. There are standard account, there is standard cent, there is pro, there is raw spread, there is zero. So zero is the last. So the difference, you can see the difference. You can check us through, you can check through these details. You can see the minimum deposit for this standard account is 10 USD and the spread is 0.2. The minimum deposit here is 10 USD. The minimum deposit here is 500. You can see 500 too. I see this one is 500. So but the recommended one for a newbie that is just coming like you is what is to choose standard account. So click on continue. So, and which trading platform are you using? We are using MT5. We are using MT5. So click on MT5. Then are you creating real account or demo account? The same method. So we are creating demo account. Let's create demo account. Let's create demo account because that's where we'll be adding money. So click on demo account. Then which currency do you want to use? You can actually use your local currency. You can use, if you're in Ghana, you can use CDs. You can in Nigeria, you can use Nigerian money. So you just click on this place and search for your currency. Nigerian will be NGN. So you can see this is Nigerian. So I'll prefer to use USD. In fact, that's the most preferable currency. So then you pick leverage. This one is very, very important. If you pick high leverage, your account will be at risk. However, you can also make significant income as well. So you can see this one indicated with red. It means they are very, very risky. They are very, very risky. So you can see the two yellow is medium, while this one is safe. So I would advise you to go with 100, one leverage of 1 to 100. So as you are just starting, go with 1 to 100. Yes, then click on, you can nickname it, give it any name. You can give it any name. Let's give it Elmat. So then we click on continue. So create a password. Please, you have to remember this password because this password is what you use to register on your MT5 account. So let me just input the password. I'm coming. So I've set the password, then I'll click on create. Automatically it will create the account for me. So now the account has been created. So you can see the name here. This is Elmat and it is demo. It is demo account. So there's no money inside now. I cannot trade with 0 naira. So I have to deposit money, paper money inside. Assuming it is real account that I created. So I'm going to just deposit real money. So it will take me to the page whereby I can transfer using my bank account to transfer. They will give me an account to transfer to. Then I can start trading. It will convert that naira to dollar. Then I can start using it to trade. But I want to deposit demo money. So let me click on deposit. And how much am I going to deposit? I want to deposit, let me deposit 5,000, 500 USD rather. So you can see accepted, it has been deposited. So you can see the message has popped up that I have 500 balance in my account. So let's check. So you can see it here. So now the next thing to do is to go to the trading platform where you want to be executing trade. Once I drop signals on the group, you copy it and you just input it on that MT5 where you're going to monitor your losses, your profit. So how to log in, you just click on this details here, this details, click on this, then you come to settings, click on settings, and then you come down here. So you can see the login details. So the login is this, you copy this, then the server is Exness MT5 trial, then the password, remember you created a password. So now you go to your MT5. If you don't have MT5, just go and download it on Play Store or App Store. All right, so MT5 is MetaTrader 5. You type on Play Store MetaTrader 5. So it will open. Once it opens, what you need to do is to come to this side. You come to this top icon here, this left hand side. You click on it, then you click on manage account. Then after that, you click on this plus. Then remember the server is what? The server is Exness. This is the server. So let's copy the login. Let's copy the login. And remember the server is Exness MT5 trial. So let's go back again. Let's go back. So and type Exness. Exness. So Exness is already there. So I'll just click on Exness technology. It's the same thing. So you paste the login. So let's paste the login. Paste the login. Paste the login. Then the password. Remember the password that you created the other time. So let me input the password. Then the next thing is I will click on login. So just click on login. All right, so successfully done. So the next thing to do is come to this trade down here. You will see your balance here. So your balance of 500 USD. So come to this chart here to add the currency, sorry, quote, to add the currency you want to be trading. So come to this pencil icon and delete all these ones. You don't need all these ones. Let's delete it. Click on this, then you delete, 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 delete. Let me select everything and delete, then click on delete. Then I need to add the ones I want to trade. I need to add the ones I want to trade. So you click on that plus. Then I want to trade gold, SAUSD. Then you click on this plus, it has been added. Then GBP, USD, yes. Euro USD added. Then GBP, JPY added. So those pairs has been added. So I can go back, so you can see everything has been added. So let's assume you receive a signal that says you should place trade on gold. So click on this gold and click on chart. You can click on chart or you click on new order. So click on chart. Then so these are your friend. This place is your friend. So you can see it is on 15 minutes time frame. Then this is your limit order icon, and this is your buy and sell order. So if you are buying right now, you click on this one, then you input the lot size you want to use. You want to use 0.1, 0.2, you input it there. So this is your buy icon, this is your sell icon. But if the signal says put sell limit or buy limit, so you click on this, icon, then you now come down here, you can see it's saying buy limit. So you come down and click on this arrow, then you can now put the lot size you want to use. The higher the lot size, the higher the risk. So I will advise you to start with low lot size like 0.1, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.1, 0, target 0. Depends on your account size, target from 0.01 to 0.1 lot size. But if you are trading gold as a starter, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.05 is okay for you to start with, depending on your account size. So you just put 0.0. I'm starting with I'm placing gold trade on gold. So the entry price is what you are going to input here. You input the entry price here, 3956.29245. Then you put your stop loss. Your stop loss is 354 and this 0.22. Then you put your target and put it there and place and click paste, place rather. So if you click on place, the trade will be executed successfully and you will see it here. So once you just place that trade, you come down to trade, you will see every order in this place. And if you want to check your history, you see it here as well. So thank you very much. This is the end of the video. So if you want to join my group, you want to join my free signal group, you can message me on WhatsApp. There's a link in the description of this video. So just message me, I will add you to the group. And if you have any question, feel free to message me, contact me. We attend to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. Share this video, and thank you very much. See you in my next video.